I remember my first car. It was an old 2001 Honda Accord. I really loved it. It was nice. It wasn't too modern per se, but I was able to change my stereo. I had nice rims. It was a nice bright red color. Overall, it was a decent car. And what I've noticed is Honda has really upped their game with the new 2017 Honda Accord.
Colored a nice slate gray, this 2017 Honda Accord has only 2,000 kilometers. Can you believe it? Only 2,000. It has no accidents and it comes fully loaded too. It's also a local BC car, which means it hasn't been driven outside the province. With silver trimming, a sleek body design, and intricately patterned alloy wheels, it's got a lot of juicy features. Now the interesting thing I found in the front seat is that there's actually two screens on the front dashboard in between the driver and passenger side. I was curious, why is that exactly? Why do we need two screens? And playing around with the controls, I figured out what the purpose is for. The lower screen is the control screen, where you play music, change climate, and so on. The second screen is for navigation, rear camera, and get this, blind spot camera too. Your steering wheel comes equipped with Bluetooth and infotainment controls, and your driving modes are located on the left side of the wheel. And your driver's heads-up display comes with a small screen for information, as most of it is displayed on the other two screens. And I forgot to mention, this cabin is very upscale in nature. It even comes with a sunroof, leather upholstery, and heated rear seats. With the front seat set all the way back as far as possible, here's what it looks like with regards to my leg space. As you can see, it's pretty close, but at the same time I do have a little bit of room. So it's still not bad, really. If you take a look in the front seat right now with the seat set as it is, it's a lot of space. The engine isn't anything to laugh at. It also has a considerable amount of trunk space too. With great power options, lots of space, and a wonderfully comfortable interior, 2017 Honda Accord is something I wish my first car was. Until next time, this has been your Suki Bath Motors Auto Review.